Apple is planning to price its rumored low-cost iPhone at $399, according to a new report out this week from Fast Company. The site was told by an unspecified source that the iPhone will likely sell for $399, backing up a previous report from Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who said in October that the iPhone would be available at that price point. At $399, the new low-cost iPhone will have the same starting price as the 2016 iPhone SE. We do know quite a bit about its specs, though, thanks to numerous leaks. The upcoming low-cost iPhone will be similar in design to the iPhone 8, with thicker top and bottom bezels and a Touch ID home button. It will be equipped with the same A13 chip that's available in the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro, and it is said to have 3GB RAM. To keep costs low, it will use a single-lens rear camera, though it's not known if the camera will be the same as the wide-angle camera in the iPhone 11. Production on the new low-cost iPhone was supposed to begin in February, but Apple's supplier factories are shut down at the current time due to the ongoing coronavirus outbreak in China. It's not clear if this will affect production plans and if the launch date of the iPhone will be delayed. Prior rumors suggested we could see the new low-cost iPhone in the first half of 2020, perhaps in March. Apple often holds its first event of the year in March, and if there is indeed a March event in the works this year,